Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name's Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at the college, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today, we're going to be looking at the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a classic motivation focusing technique that is very helpful for individuals. Right? What you do is you pick a task, you set a timer for 25 minutes, and you focus on that task. You really focus on that task to the best of your ability. Right? You then take a 5-minute break, and that's one Pomodoro. 25 minutes focus on the task, 5-minute break. Then you return to the task after your 5-minute break, or you can pick a new one and do something else, and you start to do Pomodoro. Right? After you completed 4 Pomodoros, about 2 hours, take a 15-minute to 30-minute break. Right? It's a classic approach that could work for you. It keeps you focused and keep your motivation because you have some good breaks that help you stay recharged. All right, we're out of time. Have a good one.